I suppose my whole life you could say that I've harboured three never-changing fears. Snakes being the first one, magpies being the other, and needles. Any kind of needle has ultimately scared me my entire life, particularly dental needles. It wouldn't be an overstatement to say that that would definitely be the reason as to why I had delayed for a number of years getting anything done, any treatment done on my wisdom tooth, which was causing me pain. Initially it had started out as being, wow, maybe once every 3 months and for a couple of hours, and then, you know, a few weeks out from arriving in Vietnam, we're talking about once a week, and we're talking for 3, maybe 4 days at a time. So a substantial amount of time where I wasn't eating properly, sleeping properly, you know, having considered conversations, because all I was kind of really dealing with physically was the pain. So there I was, thinking about how bad the situation was going to be with the needle. Gosh, I arrived thinking, okay, cool, Lisa, go aggressive, go in there, take it on. There's no pain, no gain. I'm kind of embarrassed when I think about how hard I was grabbing onto the nurse's hands, like seeing their knuckles curl underneath the pressure from my hand. And I've got to say, throughout that time, throughout the lead up of, you know, the 10 minutes of sitting in the chair and getting ready, it was particularly relaxing. I mean, it's great. It's great in that dental room. Truth is, Beyonce's playing, and I guess anything that I kind of really wanted to play on YouTube was there. So we went from Beyonce on the Run, Beyonce in Atlanta, Beyonce live in Vegas. Did we do? No, we didn't. Not in that first session. Ultimately, I suppose what I'm getting at is the entire environment and the team was massively patient with me in getting prepared for the needle, actually having the needle, and let me get away not so embarrassed when I left, because I was thinking that it would have been a pretty hilarious scene and probably a first for the practitioners here at iDent Dental Implant Centre, but probably not the first or the worst exhibition of fear and apprehension and anxiety when it comes to a needle. It's actually the first needle that I've ever gotten on my own in my life. I've always had, you know, as a child, my parents with me, and even when I got a needle a few months ago, I had to have a girlfriend of mine there with me and coach me through it, which I can quite safely say now, iDent Dental Implant Centre have helped me get over that fear. So 1 down and 2 more to go.
Okay.